three. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Who's this?
teacher.
Teacher. Okay, give me a
Teacher.
high five. High five. All right, tell me, what is your name? My.
My name is Happy.
Happy, where are you from? From
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Very good. How old are you?
2.
Two. How are you today? Happy, look at teacher.
Happy.
You're happy. Give me high five. Okay. High five. Tell me, what sound is that?
Sun.
Sun. Okay. What about this one? What sound is that? Good job. What sound is that?
Ah.
Very good. What do you call that?
Uh,
Huh?
my son.
My son. Okay. All right. What about that one? What's that?
Snake.
Very good. And this one is? What's that? Wash this. Very good. Bye bye, spider. Okay, see you. Oh, what's that? What's that? You can do it. Very good. Stick. Good job. What about that one?
And
Ant. Okay, let's sing. Very good. Sing me alarm. Very good. Okay, what about this one? What's that? Jam. Is jam or yummy? Is it yummy? Yummy. Okay. What about this? What's that? What do you call that? Arm. Show me your arm. Arm. Very good. And then the next one? Oh, what is that? What do you call that? Oh, you just put it back. Okay. What about this one? What's that? What do you call that?
Arrow.
Arrow. Very good. What about this, Happy? Is that jam? Is that jam? No. What is that?
Apple.
Apple. Thank you so much, Happy. Say bye bye, Apple.
Bye bye.
See you.